Hello students, in this class we are going to do a problem based on application of definite integral. Okay, so we are going to solve question number 4. Okay, this is exercise 23C, definite integrals. Exercise 23C, question number 4. So what the question tells, the graph of y equal to minus x square plus x plus 6 is shown alongside. It is shown alongside. Find the coordinates of A and B. This is the coordinate A, this is the coordinate B, and hence find the shaded area. We have to find this area. Okay. So when we see the expression, this is a quadratic function. But we find that this is a quadratic function. So how we represent a quadratic function? Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This represents a quadratic function. What is the condition? A should not be equal to 0. Okay. A can be positive or negative. That is fine. So if A is greater than 0, means if A is positive, then nature of graph will be concave upward. Okay. If A is less than 0, means if A is negative, then the nature of the function, nature of the graph will be concave downward. So that is why, because here A is equal to -1. In this expression, what is the value of A? When we compare this, y is equal to minus x square plus x plus 6. So what we find that A equal to -1, B is equal to +1, and C is equal to 6. Okay. So because A is equal to -1, which is less than 0. So the nature of the graph or the shape of the graph will be concave downward. So this is the correct graph. Now this graph cuts the x-axis at 2 points, A and B. So these points are called x-intercepts. Okay. X-intercepts are those points of the curve where the curve cuts the x-axis. Okay. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is those points on the y-axis where the curve cuts the y-axis. So this is the y-intercept and this is the x-intercept. So we have to find the coordinates of A and B. Means we have to find the coordinates of x-intercepts. Okay. So already we know that at A and B, y coordinate is 0. So we have to find the x coordinate. Now we'll go to the other page, blank page, and then we'll solve this. So what is the expression? What is the function? Y is equal to minus x square plus x plus 6. So how will we find the x-intercepts? By putting y is equal to 0. Okay, by putting y equal to 0, we will find the value of x, and there will be 2x because it is cutting at 2 points. So we'll find the value of x. Okay, x will be found by putting y is equal to 0. We'll come to this point, this page. So we'll put y equal to minus x square plus x plus 6. Okay, find x-intercepts means coordinates of A and B. You can say A and B. Put y equal to 0. Okay, we'll put y equal to 0. So it means we'll put minus x square plus x plus 6 equal to 0. So the same expression, we can write it as x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we'll solve this quadratic equation with the help of factorization. So this we can factorize as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X we can take common here. So it will become x minus 3. Here we can take 2 common. So it will become x minus 3 equal to 0. It means x minus 3 again we can take common. So this is x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 3. So this x minus 3 will give us x equal to 3, and this will give us x equal to minus 2. Okay. So now the coordinates of A and B we have already found. So what is the coordinate of A? So coordinate of A is equal to minus 2, 0, and coordinate of B is equal to what? 3, 0. Okay. So already we have found. So this A point is minus 2, 0, and this point is 3, 0. Now we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay. So we'll find this with the help of the definite integral. So what will be the limit of definite integral? X is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 3. Okay. So we'll find the area. Area equal to definite integral, lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is plus 3, and then y dx means integration minus 2 to plus 3, and this is minus x square plus x plus 6 dx. Okay, you can write it clearly so that it will be properly visible. Okay, so this will be x square minus x square plus x plus 6. Okay, so after integration, what we are going to get? The integration of minus x square will be minus x cube upon 3. The integration of x will be x square by 2. The integration of 6 will be 6x. We are applying the power formula, that's all. Now lower limit is minus 2 and upper limit is plus 3. Now one by one we'll put the values. Okay. So first of all we'll put the value of the higher limit, upper limit. So this will become minus 3 cube upon 3 plus 3 square by 2 plus 6 into 3. So now we have already put the upper limit minus, now we'll put the lower limit. So this will be minus and minus 2 to the power cube. Okay. While putting the values, take care. Okay. Minus 2 to the power cube upon 3 plus minus 2 square upon plus 6 into minus 2. Okay, solve it carefully so that there should not be any silly mistake. So 1, 3 will be cancelled here. So this will become minus 9. This will become 9 by 2. This will become 6, 3 are 18. Minus, this will become minus 2 to the power cube is equal to minus 8. So minus 8 multiplied by minus, it will become plus 8. So this will be 8 by 3. Minus 2 square is, because the power is even, so it will be positive. So plus 4, 4 by 2. And 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Okay, minus 12. So this will be 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 9 plus 9 by 2. And this will be minus, this is 2 to the 4. It means 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So this is 2. Minus 2 plus 2, this will be 10. So minus 8 by 3 and minus 2. And this is plus 2. So minus 10. Isn't it? Again, we'll solve it. So this will 9 to the 18 plus 9. This will become 27 by 2. Minus 3 into 10, 30. Minus 30 plus 8. So minus 22 upon 3. This will become 27 by 2. Minus minus plus. Plus 44 by 3. When we'll solve it, we'll take the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Now multiply cross 27 into 3, 81. And this is actually 22. Silly mistake. So 22 into 2, 44. So after adding, what we are getting? 81 plus 44. 81 plus 44 is equal to 125. 125 upon 6. Okay, this 125 can be written as 25 by 6. So this is the area. What is the area? Because the units are not given, so our answer will be area is equal to 25 by 6 units. Just square units, we can say. Okay. So area is equal to, this is our answer. Okay. So what area we found? Area equal to 125 by 6. Means 25 by 6. Okay. So in the next class, we'll do some other problem. Okay. So this is the application of definite integral. What we found here? We found the area of curve, area under the curve with the help of definite integral. Okay.